Hello friends, hope all of you are doing fine. Today we will discuss about sentences, the types of sentences, focusing on negative and interrogative sentences. So let us start. First one, what is a sentence? Sentence is anything that gives a complete sense. Any statement that gives a complete sense is called a sentence. I am going to school today is a sentence. The schools are closed due to COVID-19 is a sentence. Okay, because it makes a complete sense, right? The schools are closed due to COVID-19 makes a complete sense. So it is a sentence. Next, we will go into what are the different kinds of sentences. Sentences are classified into 4 broad categories. First one, assertive or declarative sentences. What is assertive or declarative sentences? Declaration means what? I am stating something. That is, I am declaring something. The schools are closed due to COVID-19. Declaring. It is a declarative sentence. Okay. I am going to school today. Declarative sentence. Fine. It ends with a full stop or period. Second, we will talk about interrogative sentences. Interrogation means asking questions. So interrogative sentences means your statements that you are writing or telling is a question. Why are the schools closed? It is an interrogative sentence. When will the school reopen? Interrogative sentence. Okay? It ends with a question mark. Next, we have imperative sentences. Imperative sentences are those sentences that makes a request or gives advice. Okay, as an order, advice, request. So these kinds of sentences are imperative sentences. You're making an impression out of it. Okay, kindly give me your pen. Imperative sentence. Do not spit here. Imperative sentence. Okay, so those are imperative sentences. Next is exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentences are those sentences that gives us strong feelings like alas, what a beautiful day it is. Wow, this is very pretty. So all this ends with exclamation marks. It gives you strong feelings. So that is known as exclamatory sentences. Now coming on to assertive sentences. Assertive sentences are again classified into 2. Affirmative sentences and negative sentences. Affirmative sentences are sentences that say something is happening. Okay, a positive sentence. So that is an affirmative sentence. Whereas the statements which show something is not happening, a false statement, that is negative statement. I will not be going to school today is a negative sentence. The schools are not open is a negative sentence. Whereas if I say I will be absent today is affirmative. The schools are closed is affirmative. Okay. Schools are closed. Something is happening. So that is affirmative. Schools are not open. When I use this word not in between, it makes it negative sentence. Alright. Then after negative sentences, we will discuss now about interrogative sentences. The sentences that ask question. What is your name? Where are you coming from? Why are the schools closed today? Did you have your breakfast? Did you ever visit a park? When did you last visit a park? So all these sentences has a question mark after it. It needs you to answer some questions asked by us. So that is the sentences that we are asking. We are trying to query something, that is interrogative sentences. Okay. So today we have discussed basically the negative and the interrogative sentences. Okay, and having a overview of sentences and the kinds of sentences. Okay, thank you.